Hi guys, now I will discuss about the checkpoint architecture. Okay, checkpoint firewall architecture. Uh, so let's start. Okay, so in the checkpoint architecture, we can say that we have a smart console, security management server, and security gateway in place. Okay, so in most of the data centers, we can see the security management server and security gateway will be deployed in a different machine. Okay, and in somewhere it will be used as a virtual machine as well. Security management server can be hosted on virtual machine, and security gateway can be hosted on any physical device. So it depend on the network actually. So basically the checkpoint architecture is, we can say that the first step is we need to install the smart console or smart console like ret.30 or ret.40 in our client machine. So once we will log into the smart console, we can access the security management server. So we can log into the security management server by using the smart console. The first step is we need to open the smart console in the client machine, and then we need to access the security management server from the smart console. And we can so this is the smart console and the security management server. So suppose that our security management server is deployed in any of the virtual machine or any physical machine. So it depend actually. So majorly we can we can log into the smart security management server, and then we can make all the policy changes, and all the changes we can push, and we can verify and we can push all the policy changes on the security management server to the gateway. So whatever the changes you are going to made on security management server, that will directly reflect on security gateway if you will push the change. So if you will log into the security management server, there will be option in ret.30, 40 or ret.10. You can see that the option of publish. So if you will make any changes, you can publish the change. So that will be not reflecting on security gateway, that will be on only security management server itself. So anyone can publish the change later, and once you will verify and install the policy on security management server, it will directly reflect on the security gateway. So it will be directly reflected on the security gateway. So whatever the changes you are doing in security management server, that will be directly reflecting on the security gateway if you will pushing the changes, if you are installing the changes on management server for the gateway. So this is the checkpoint architecture. So we need the three tools like smart console first, smart console in the client machine. After that we can access the security management server from the smart console, and so in the security management server, the security gateway will be already integrated. So it depend if we have one more thing we need to remember, like in the security management server, suppose we are using ret.30, ret.40 or ret.10, whichever the management server we are having in our network, that smart console client version we need to install into the client machine. Suppose that we are running a security management server ret.30 in our network, then in the smart console ret.30 only we need to install. Otherwise it will not compatible, and you cannot access the management server via the smart console. So make ensure that you are using the correct smart console version in the system. So you can do the practice as well in the any of the virtual machine. You can install the checkpoint security management server, and you can install the smart console in the client machine, and you can access. So that also I will explain in the later videos. Just right now I am explaining only the checkpoint architecture. So the first thing is smart console, second is security management server, which we can access by using the smart console, and third is the security gateway. So whatever the changes we are doing in security management server, once we will publish or install the change, it will directly reflect to the security gateway. So whatever the ACL you are configuring in management server, you need to point those ACL towards the gateway. So you need to select the gateway, like which gateway you want to install this policy. So that security gateway also you can choose. So like primary gateway, secondary gateway, both you can select into the ACL. Thanks. So I think this is enough for the checkpoint architecture. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Please also subscribe my channel.